I wanted to share some invaluable insights from a fantastic sales mastery workshop I attended at the Pacific Design Center in Los Angeles. It was hosted by the exceptional Chris Do of TheFutur and Carlos Garcia of ExceedSales. Now, these are two people I really respect as successful business and creative people, but they're also very thoughtful, good guys. Let me tell you a little bit about the workshop, and I'll be sure to include links in the comments so you can follow them and learn more about their teaching. I also met a lot of amazing fellow attendees, so hello to everybody. So Chris and Carlos, through their expertise and engaging presentation, they covered crucial areas to enhance not just your sales conversations, but your relationships with your prospects and clients. And the day started with a pledge from everyone there that they would, 1, do good work, 2, price fairly, 3, serve others, and 4, act with integrity. Now, it struck me that I've worked for a lot and with a lot of companies, yet it's the first time I've come across such a list, and that says a lot about Chris and Carlos. All the attendees engaged with each other throughout the day to learn the hows and the whys of being inquisitive and attentive. We worked through completing a needs assessment, doing a gap analysis to identify current and desired states, identifying the positive or negative impact of taking action or inaction, effectively handling objections, and then transitioning to share actionable insights before recommending solutions. We also dove deep into the 8 elemental skills crucial for mastering sales conversations, from identifying the real problem and asking clarifying questions to master the art of listening. Each skill is actually a stepping stone to becoming proficient in sales. And honestly, I wish I knew this stuff decades ago. I quite liked the acronym WAIT, W-A-I-T, which stands for Why Am I Talking? It's a good reminder to always consider the value of our words in a conversation. When you slow down the process, you speed up the outcome. And we have a saying in ultra running, which is go slow to go fast. It's quite similar. Taking your time to really understand the needs and concerns leads to faster, more effective results. Chris Do and Carlos Garcia both exemplify what it means to be leaders and educators. I strongly suggest you follow Chris and Carlos and learn more about their innovative approaches. I will put links, as I said, in the comments below. I promise you it'll be of real benefit. So stay curious, keep innovating, and until next time, continue doing good work.